What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video show as well. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And let's straight into this video. So, you guys, I'm going to be trying to be fixing my sleep schedule because your girl gotta go to in-person school and wake up at 6 o'clock and get ready to go to school and be on time. Okay? That's hard. Really is. So, that's what we're gonna be doing. I've been in school for about, it is a month. This week will make it a month. So, yeah. Been in school for a whole month, and our sleep schedule needs to get better. I've been working on it last week, but this is finally the time to make the video. So, I'll be trying to go to bed no later than 10 o'clock and no earlier than 7:30. Because sometimes I go, I'm laying in the bed, and I end up going to bed at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, and I'll be up around 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the morning. No later than 7:30. So we're going to get in bed at 8 o'clock. It don't matter to me. But no later than 10 o'clock and no earlier than 7:30. I just got home from school. And I just got home from taking my second vaccination shot. Ow. Ooh, my arm hurts. So I do have a little bit of homework to do. I got to do some notes and study. So you guys, come back from studying. These are my cute notes that I made. I did this myself, and this is really, I do look at these notes to learn. So you guys, I just picked out my outfit for tomorrow. So it's these ripped mom jeans with this shirt, which is very cute. The whole outfit's from Forever 21. I showed it to y'all in my back to school clothing haul video. If you haven't already seen that, it'll be in the description box down below. So go check it out, or it'll be also in the iCards up above. So yeah, whole outfit. I'm just gonna iron the shorts and the top of these pants, not really go all the way to the bottom because they have holes in it. So why? So I need to take the tag off of these. Well, yeah, and I'm gonna just wear some sneakers because I don't have Air Force Ones, but Air Force Ones will look cute with these. They really have. I wanna stay, save your tears for another. I realize that I'm much too late.
what I'm thinking, see it in your eyes. You hate that you want me, hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared that I'll miss you, happens every time. I know all this feeling, I can't afford love. I try to find reasons to pull us all apart. It ain't working, cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away. Yeah. You know what I'm thinking, see it in your eyes. You hate that you want me, hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared that I'll miss you, happens every time. I know all this feeling, I can't afford love. I try to find reasons to pull us all apart. It ain't working, cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away. I'm alive here, I'm alive here. Keep it real.
So you guys, I'm about to do a transition into getting into my night clothes. So hope that's a good transition. PJs are on, and I'm about to actually go fix my overnight oats for in the morning. So let's go fix it. So I have fixed my overnight oats for tomorrow. So you guys, sorry to say I have not gone to sleep, and it is 11:35. About to eat this sugar-free Jello. I'm going to usually I do like rice water spray, but I'm not about to make rice water tonight because I'm going to take them out tomorrow. So all I'm going to do is this is hot water in this bottle that I just cleaned out and put hot water in, because it usually has my bottle with rice water. Yeah, this thing I don't know. Okay, I'm about to add some grapeseed oil to it so for the stench, because I'm about to add some apple cider vinegar to this. Just eyeball it, not too much.
I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look out, since city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. On myself, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep in it till I feel your touch. I said, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I just.
So you guys, it is now 54. Time for me to go to bed. See, y'all can't see, but clock now 54. And I'm about to go to bed. Like this light about to go off. I'm going to bed at 10 o'clock tonight. Not staying up until 11 o'clock. Not eating Jello like I did last night. So go to bed. I didn't even do anything else. All I did was wash my face and stuff and then finish some notes for class. I'll end this video in the morning. So you guys, this is the end of this video. I know that my sleep schedule ain't perfect, but it's getting better. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.